Okay, got the RAVPower branded 60 watt 6-port USB wall charger. I got purchased this from Amazon. RAVPower makes pretty good products, and this is actually my third one of this wall charger. As you can see, this is the white version. They make a black and a white version. So I'm just gonna unbox this to show you guys how it looks like. So it always comes with this, these gift cards. I'm not sure if it's actually real or not. Never tried it. Maybe some of you guys can let me know. So what it says is you just have to, or I guess write them a review or something. Write your great shopping experience. Put a photo, and then you get a $20 gift card. Let me know if you guys tried this and if it works. Okay, so it comes with instruction manual, user guide. Okay, so there's 6 ports, right? And then each port has a maximum of 2.4 amps for each port. So that's gonna be plenty for charging all your devices. Okay. Here is the warranty. Okay. Now here is the plug. Okay, so it's got the two prong. And the end is one of these guys here. Pretty standard. And let me just show you the length of this cable. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4 feet-ish. 4 feet long cable. Put this on the side. Right, and then that's it for the box or the packaging. And now let's take this out. Hey, I thought I got a white one. Or never mind, maybe I got a black. Okay, well anyways, here it is. It's pretty small, fits in my hand, just like that. And so there's a plug for the power. So you just plug that in, and then the other end goes into the outlet. Then you have up to 6 ports to charge all your different devices. Take a look here. Again, this is just a regular USB, not USB-C. Okay, and then take a look here. 60 watts total output power. And again, there's got 6 ports here. Okay, what I do is, like, you can put some double-sided tape, and then you can just stick it to wherever you want. Sometimes you can stick it to a wall or whatever your application, but these come in pretty handy. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.